Hey everyone, this is Ed Kiefer again, bringing you another Luxe highlight. What I'm looking at here is a slide out. This is very unique because there's several things we do to ensure that you're going to get a good seal in your slide out. We're going to bring you in here, right into this area. This is one seal. Then you look inside, there's another seal inside of there. So you've got 1, 2, zoom over here, and this is another seal, a bulb seal. When this is totally closed, you've got 3 forms of sealing that's going to keep that moisture away from the interior of your coach and into the slide. Also, these slides, when they're fully closed, they are flush. They sink in to this area here, and that leaves it a nice flush slide, so you don't get any wind drag, you don't get any debris that's going to collect in there as you're driving down the road. So hey, ask us about our slides. 844-284-6678. Get us on the web at luxefifthwheel.com.